Everybody, Brent here with Bowen Customs. Got another fun one for you today. What I do believe is a first and only of its kind, which is a full dually width canopy. There's been a lot of canopies put on flatbeds in the past, but they're all the traditional width of the truck. This is a true dually width, so it's an extra 7 inches wider all the way around with both the bed and the canopy. So it started off as a 2023 Ram with the 8-foot factory bed, and then we replaced the bed with our flatbed garage combo. And then behind that is the removable canopy, right? So this part here, this canopy lifts off of this part of the bed. We put a jack bracket on all 4 corners. You put jacks on, lifts it up, drive out from under it, okay? So pretty unique combo, tons of storage, again, 90 inches wide. This is our 80-inch canopy, so a lot of room inside this thing. So let's open her up and I'll show you a little bit more. So for starters, our garage, which you're probably very familiar with at this point. So this is, again, 90 inches across the garage as well. It's an 18-inch garage with lower saddle storage here. The garage is special and different from a canopy because we're actually sitting on top of the frame rails of the truck or just above them right here. That allows you to fit a full-size 40-inch spare tire inside of this space. So very unique, something that we specialize in and we get a lot of requests for. Then we have room for our front lower box, as we call it here. And then I come over here to the back for our rear lower. So tons of storage down inside here. And then you'll see when you look back here, underneath the canopy is our traditional recessed L track, which runs all the way to the front up to this garage. So lots of ways to tie stuff down when the canopy is off. So let's take a look at the canopy. So you have 2 latches here and a ton of space. So you can imagine how this could be built out on the inside. This customer optioned or didn't option to have anything on the inside, just empty blank space. But we can do fridge slides, storage, all kinds of, we have a pantry that slides in and out. So lots of things you can do here. Laser cut rib nut holes throughout all the structure so you can add your own attachment points, shelves, things like that. And then a lot of this is just 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch aluminum, so you can always bolt things to it. On the inside of the doors here, we have a MOLLE panel laser cut into the bracing, as well as latch covers for the latches. So if anything shifts while you're in transit, you can still open and close those latches. So another nice thing about the structure in here is we designed it so that you can run electrical lines in all this structure, so you can make it nice and tidy on the inside. This canopy has 4 bolts that go into the L track, lifts off, drive out. This is a pretty cool combination because you could have this canopy on here, let's say during the week for work, lifts off, you can back right under like a 4-wheel camper's Granby, tie it down and you're off camping, right? So we're really proud of this one. Again, first of its kind, tons of storage. If you guys have seen a full dually width, a true dually width, let me know in the comments, but I'm pretty sure this is a first. So last but not least on this rig, the customer did option the rear drawer. Okay, this drawer is slightly shorter than normal due to the 5th wheel hitch underneath, but still nice extra storage here at the back. And then of course, all of our standard lighting that comes on all of our builds, LED lights, backup lights, license plate, tow plug. This truck did not have the backup sensors, so that's why you don't see those here. Anyways, if you guys have questions or you want to learn more about how we could build something like this for you or a variation of this for your truck, give us a call, shoot us an email, info@bowencustoms.com. Look forward to working with you. See ya.